Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy.
Hey, welcome to Cars and Joshy. I've been given some feedback that I should try a couple of videos that just kind of show some basics. And so this basic is going to be taking a key fob transmitter and replacing the casing on it. And that means taking all the electronics out of it and putting it in a brand new key fob case that I got from Amazon. Before I start transferring electronics and stuff out of the original, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and program a new key fob. That way, if I mess up the electronics or drop it or something like that while I'm in the middle of transferring this one, I'll at least have a key fob that still works. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to program a key fob, and this is going to be for a 2015 Yukon. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so this has a little button on the side that you can press in, and that takes your emergency key out of the fob transmitter here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this emergency key over to the Yukon, and I'll show you how to start programming it. All right, so this is what you got to do. You can go ahead and open this and take the original key fob, set it in the cup holder, just like that. Stick your key in the door here, and you're going to turn it counterclockwise 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you see on the dash there, got something pulled up. So I'm going to open this up. It says action required, ready for remote number 3. So what you do, pop open the center console here, slide your remote in there, press, you see the display went away, press the stop button once, take your remote out, and press either the lock or unlock button, and then hold start stop for 12 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so I'm gonna go set this original one on the workbench in the garage, and then I'm gonna come back and make sure that the newly programmed one works. Yeah, you can hear it. There's lock, unlock. Sit down in here, and let's see. Oh, there it goes. All right. Go ahead and turn it off. And it's programmed. Let's see if the remote start will work on it. Close it, lock it. Works. All right, looks like that one's programmed. Now, to go ahead and switch all of the components out of the old one and into the brand new case. Go ahead and see how to do that. Now this is a brand new case, so it already comes kind of, you see it's open. There's no buttons or no circuit board or anything in here. Comes with a blank uncut key, and for that I'm just going to take the original once I get the external or the internal parts in, I can just use this, slide it up in there to hold it like that. So once you got it separated, you should be able to just pull it apart like so. There's your battery, here's your circuit board, all your little buttons are on the back side of this. You just drop it in here. There we go. This is just like a sticky pad, I think. There we go. So I had that key cut earlier, and one thing we noticed when we were cutting it is they're a different length, but they're plenty long enough to be cut. But what you get is this issue that I just ran into. You can push this in here, but it doesn't exactly sit as well as the other one, but it's in there and everything's swapped over. So let's go see if it works. I got it right here. That works. Let's try. I don't know what's going on with this starter though. Looks like it's having an issue. Come on. So the key fob does work. I think I've got maybe a battery issue or a weak battery or starter issue or something. But I've got 2 key fobs now. So when I bought this, it only had one, and it was kind of rough. So went ahead and switched the internals with the new case, and also programmed a new fob. Turn that off. Hopefully there wasn't like lights or anything left on in this truck contributing to those hard starts. Looks like the lights went out on the inside. I'm not too sure why. It's acting like a low battery. Just something I guess I'll diagnose. Well, I started it up and ran it around the block a few times just to try and get the battery started or charged up a little bit more. I don't know if that was the issue or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to start it again. Oh yeah, it fires right up now. I think me just sitting there playing with the instrument cluster and stuff in there probably ran the battery low. Or it could have been the new remotes were too close to each other. They were interfering with each other. So put the other one in the house. So it seems to be working just fine now. No issues with the starter or anything. All right, so now I have 2 remotes or 2 transmitters that are working. For those of you that learn by reading or like to reference a manual, you can go ahead and reference this in the actual owner's manual for the GMC Yukons, starting on page 2-10, programming with recognized transmitter. They also have programming without a recognized transmitter, so step by step in here. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.